Hey there fellow entrepreneurs, today's video is not just about making money, it's about unlocking the solo ads lifestyle. I'm Ishaan Narang, your guide in the digital marketing world, and I've got something special for you today. Imagine making $300 in just 24 hours. And here's the kicker, without spending a single penny and with zero experience. Before we dive in, let me share a bit of my journey. As a solo ads vendor, email marketer, digital marketer, and entrepreneur, I've discovered a game-changing strategy that has transformed the way I do business, and today I'm excited to spill the beans. I know the struggles, the doubts, and the hustle it takes to make it in the digital marketing world. But what if I told you that you could change your game within 90 days? Picture yourself making $3,000 to $5,000 per month, with your emails as a secret weapon, the base of your success. Now let's talk about the challenge, making $300 in 24 hours. I'll guide you through a proven method that taps into the power of solo ads, leveraging your email marketing skills to create a steady income stream. It's not just about the money, it's about the lifestyle you can achieve. No investment needed, you don't need a huge budget to get started. I'll show you how to maximize your resources and turn your existing assets into profit. Zero experience required whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting. This method is designed for everyone. I'll break down the steps in a way that anyone can follow. Emails as your base, your email list is your goldmine. I'll teach you how to nurture and grow it strategically, turning it into a powerful tool for consistent income. I get it, the skepticism, the too good to be true feeling. But remember, I've been in your shoes, I've tested, tweaked, and refined this method, and now it's time to share it with you. This isn't just a course, it's a community, a lifestyle. Are you ready to take the leap and join the Solo Ads Lifestyle course? Hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and let's embark on this journey together. Comment ready below, and let's prove that $300 in 24 hours is not just a challenge, it's a reality. Remember, your solo ads lifestyle starts with the first 10. Let's make those $300 in 24 hours and build the business you've been dreaming of. See you in the next video.